Before we dive into what AI is, let's talk about why learning AI is so important right now. In 2025, AI is transforming every industry. Jobs. AI skills are in high demand. Data scientists and AI engineers are some of the top-paying roles today. Innovation. AI is driving breakthroughs, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Everyday life. You're already using AI. Think about how your phone predicts your texts or how Spotify curates your playlists. Here's a quick stat. According to recent reports, the AI market is expected to grow to over $1 trillion by 2030. That means now is the perfect time to learn AI and be part of this revolution. So, let's pause for a moment. Think about one way AI has impacted your life recently. Feel free to share it in the comments below. Now, let's answer the big question. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when computers are designed to think and act like humans. It's about creating machines that can do things that typically require human intelligence. Here's what that means. Learn from data. For example, AI can study thousands of photos to recognize cats in new images. Solve problems. Think of an AI playing chess. It can strategize and beat world champions. Make decisions. Netflix uses AI to decide which shows you might like based on your viewing history. A fun example, imagine you're teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of dogs and cats, and they learn to tell the difference. AI works similarly, but it processes massive amounts of data at lightning speed. So, in simple terms, AI is like a super smart assistant that helps us tackle tasks faster and smarter. What do you think? Does that sound like magic or just really clever tech? Let me know in the comments. AI has a rich history, and understanding it helps us appreciate how far we've come. Let's walk through some key milestones. 1950. Alan Turing, a brilliant mathematician, proposed the Turing test. He asked, "Can a machine fool a human into thinking it's human?" That idea sparked the AI revolution. 1956. The term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Conference, where researchers gathered to explore how machines could mimic human thinking. 1997. IBM's Deep Blue made headlines by defeating chess champion Garry Kasparov, a huge moment for AI. 2016. Google's AlphaGo beat a world champion in Go, a game far more complex than chess, showing AI's ability to tackle abstract challenges. Today, in 2025, AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to chatbots like me. For example, companies like Tesla use AI to make cars that can navigate busy streets autonomously. This journey shows how AI has evolved from a dream to a reality. Let's take a moment. Which of these milestones surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. AI isn't just a concept, it's part of our daily lives. Let's look at some real-world applications. Voice assistants. Siri and Alexa use AI to understand your voice commands. For example, when you say, "Hey Siri, set a timer," AI processes your speech and acts. Streaming services. Netflix recommends shows based on your viewing habits. It's like having a personal movie curator powered by AI. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla use AI to navigate roads safely. The car sees its surroundings with cameras and makes decisions in real time. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases. For instance, it can analyze medical scans to detect cancer earlier than the human eye.